The myth of JURIG JARIAN and Lulun SAMAK, the customary law for children. Sampurasun. The myth of the existence of JURIG JARIAN and Lulun SAMAK is an oral tradition that is still used by some Sundanese people in West Bandung Regency. Along with the development of science and technology, these myths can be discussed in the science of hermeneutics, namely interpreting cultural linguistic meanings and symbols. The myth of JURIG JARIAN and Lulun SAMAK are very effective to be used as an unwritten customary law by Sundanese ancestors. After being interpreted in the Sundanese language dictionary, it turns out that the name of the ghost creature can be discussed as follows. The myths are the core legal rules in the form of prohibiting children from playing in dangerous places. The meaning of JURIG JARIAN is likened to a scary ghost, even though its actual form is a dirty and shabby place that is not healthy for children to stop by and play because it causes disease. While Lulun SAMAK is also the name of a ghost, but its original form is a vortex in a river or lake where if children or adults are sucked in, they can die. The prohibition of this myth is very strong and applies in its time, but the myth of today must be interpreted by science so that the meaning of this myth can be solved. So that is it for the video. Hopefully, it gives us more knowledge about cultural tradition in Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. Karimaja TV Production, West Bandung Regency.
Akan pulang ke rumah dan saya ingin cepat pulang karena dingin. Thank you.